It's a very appropriate verse where Brahmaji is speaking in Brahma Samhita. Karamani nirdahati kintu cha bhakti bhajan. You ever heard this term? Karamani nirdahati kintu cha bhakti bhajan. This is verse 54 of Brahma Samhita, and the key phrase, they're all key phrases, everything is important. Every word and every line, the whole phrase, whole shloka. But Karamani nirdahati, because we're talking about this now, Diksha and Bhakti Bhajan. So he says, Karmani nirdahati, that all the karmas are destroyed by Bhakti Bhajan. So if the wife does Bhakti Bhajan, Shuddha Bhakti Bhajan, Ananya Bhakti, and the husband does Shuddha Bhakti, Ananya Bhakti, all the karmas are destroyed. And that means, what does that mean? The Guru has already taken the prarabdha, so that's 25% are gone. There's still 75% in your bank locker. In your lockers, there's the aprarabdha, kutam and bijam, the seed, and then the pile of seeds, and then the tree with the fruit, fruits yet to fall. Fruits are there, but they haven't. That's aprarabdha, about to be prarabdha. So that all the subtle body and all the karmas that are keeping us in this material body, that are binding us in this material world, it's called karma bandhana. So this is the idea by karamani nirdahati kintu cha bhakti bhajam. Many times I quoted this in my tapes before. That the karamani nirdahati even sounds like we say hanyate hanyamane sharire, right? The hanyate hanyamane sharire. Second chapter, the soul can never be killed by any weapon of this. It never can be killed. Can't kill or be killed. It's not. So this hanyate, nirdahati, hati, hanyate, means it totally destroys. So Bhakti Bhajan completely destroys all the karmas. So this is the point, that the Guru, he gives Diksha, and by the Bhakti and by his mercy and by the mercy and blessings of Krishna, all your prarabdha is destroyed. The Guru may suffer or may not. That's up to Krishna. And if he suffers, it doesn't mean, the Guru is suffering, he's not advanced. Because sometimes people even preach that way. So, I've heard that before from some sannyasi preachers. If the Guru is suffering, that means that, he's not advanced. You can't say that. Prabhupada, because it appears that the Guru is suffering, but is he suffering or not? We don't know, because suffering is something, the body appears to be suffering. Anybody else would say, I'm suffering. But the Guru's consciousness is with Krishna, maybe he's not suffering at all. But that difficulty is experienced, it's generally, we can say it's something Krishna wants him to experience. And it's not the karma of his disciples. Although Rupa Goswami does say that, not in this regard so much, but he says that if a shishya takes initiation from a guru that's not very advanced, that will be a problem if he's only a kanishta adhikar, or madhyamadhikari. It'll be a problem for the new disciple because he will get insufficient guidance on the path of bhakti, and he won't be able to get his doubts removed or even his questions answered sufficiently or satisfactorily to his satisfaction. It's not that every Diksha Guru is not a know-it-all. He doesn't have to have the answer to every single question. But he should have a good command of the Shastra and the basic tattvas and philosophies. So this is some ideas about the Guru taking reactions.